All right, listen up, you weary souls. You've spent years staring at a spreadsheet that refuses to balance, enduring meetings that could double as medieval torture sessions, and pretending to care about synergy with Brendalina from accounting. You're sick of the soul-crushing 9-to-5, the endless rat race, and the distinct smell of lukewarm corporate coffee. Good. Because today we're talking about your escape plan, your ticket to maybe not having to pretend to enjoy Kevin's terrible golf stories anymore. We're talking about YouTube. Now, I know what you're thinking. YouTube? That's for ridiculously energetic 20-somethings who can do backflips while explaining cryptocurrency. And you're not entirely wrong. But here's the beautiful, cynical truth. YouTube is also for you. Yes, you, the one currently fantasizing about setting fire to your reports to leadership. Because the corporate overlords want you to believe that creating anything worthwhile is incredibly complex. That it requires a team of highly paid consultants, a six-figure budget, and a spiritual pilgrimage to Silicon Valley. Lies. All freaking lies. You want to know how easy it is to start a YouTube channel? It's so easy, it's insulting. It's like finding out your entire career could have been avoided if you just, I don't know, filmed yourself complaining about your stupid boss. First, you need a Google account. Yes, that Google. The one that knows more about your online habits than your therapist. If you've ever sent an email, watched a cat video, or subtly stalked an ex online, congratulations, you probably already have one. But if, by some miracle, you've managed to avoid the omnipresent eye of Google until now, here's the mind-bending complexity. You go to google.com, you click sign in, then you click create account. And then, brace yourselves, you fill out some basic information. Your name, a birthday, feel free to lie, Google doesn't care if you're secretly 157 years old, and a password that you won't immediately forget. Boom. Done. You're now a proud digital citizen of the Google empire. Welcome to the machine. Embrace it. Don't worry, the assimilation is mostly painless. Resistance is futile. Mostly. Now, the YouTube account. This is where it gets truly wild. Because once you have that shiny new, or old, doesn't matter, Google account, you already have a YouTube account. Yes, it's like getting a free egg rolls with your favorite deluxe number 5 Chinese takeout combo. Except this egg roll can potentially make you famous for reviewing said egg roll. Open the YouTube app on your phone. You know, the red one with the little play button. The one you probably already spend hours on, avoiding your responsibilities. See that little profile picture in the corner? Tap it. Then, if you're not already signed in, tap sign in. Use the Google account you just painstakingly, excruciatingly created. And just like that, poof, boom, you have a YouTube channel. You don't even have to do anything. It's just there. It just exists. It's like finding out you've had a trust fund all along, but it only pays out in internet points and crippling self-doubt. More on that later. Whatever floats your boat, buddy. Uploading a video from your phone. Open that YouTube app again. See that little plus sign at the bottom? The one that screams, add something, anything, just fill the void? Tap it. Then you'll see options like create a short, upload a video, or go live. Unless you're planning on spontaneously combusting on camera, you probably want upload a video. It will then miraculously ask for permission to access your phone's photos and videos. Grant it. Do it. You need to do it. What's a little privacy when you're on the cusp of becoming the next internet sensation? Select the video you want to inflict on the world. Maybe it's that grainy footage of your boss tripping over a potted plant, or a heartfelt monologue about the existential dread of Mondays. Give it a title, something catchy, like My Boss the Plant Slayer, or Another Monday, Another Soul Crushed, or Kill Me Now. Add a description, maybe throw in some hashtags if you're feeling ambitious, and understand how those dark arts work. And then, the piece de resistance, the upload button. You tap that button. Go ahead, tap it. Do it. And then you wait. You wait as your phone, a device you probably use more than you talk to your own family, sends your masterpiece out into the digital ether. And that, my friends, is it. That's how you make a YouTube channel. That's how you upload a video. No advanced degrees required, no hefty investments. Just you, your phone, and a burning desire to escape the endless cycle of beige cubicle life and forced team-building exercises where you secretly dream of sailing off into the sunset. So go forth, create, complain, be funny, be you. Be the glorious, unhinged content creator the internet deserves. And if anyone asks, tell them Brenda from accounting sent you. She'll understand.